Hi, Rockstars! We're going to Santa Ana. Taking a few days break after the election and the campaign para naman makapag-recharge and refresh kasi after this, babalik na naman po tayo sa Tabuk to prepare and plan to plan and prepare for the Thanksgiving concert for Chris. Stopping over for Lomi, super sarap. And I invited my friend, my very close friend, Cecil and her children. Kasi tagal namin hindi nakapag-bonding when I went to Baguio. This is a very intimate bakasyon. Kami-kami lang talaga. We arrived late na sa Santa Ana, so we decided to go sa Centro where maraming mga resorts, and we decided to stay dito sa Reggae Resort. Hindi kasi namin naabutan yung bangka to bring us sana dun sa island where we're supposed to stay. Ito na lang din yung natitira nilang parang biggest room that can cater to our group. Kasi 9 kami. And Ninong Tens even had to stay sa hammock outside kasi puro babae tsaka kids kami. So yung mga boys, medyo labas-labas muna sila. Ganda ng pool nila, malawak, malinis. Very important yung malinis. Hindi masyadong maklorin. May slides din sila, kaya enjoyable naman siya. Isa sa mga lagi kong hinahanap sa mga pool is yung cleanliness ng water nila. Siyempre, as a mom of 2, kailangan yung safety ng mga anak ko ang priority. So, lagi kong tinatanong kung masyado bang marami yung chlorine, masyado bang mataas yung ammonia, or yung may amoy, or does it sting the eyes, or makati sa balat. So, hindi naman sa pagiging maarte yun, pero may effect kasi yun, especially pag nagkaroon sila ng parang itching after maligo. Kaming tatlo din yung nakatoka sa preparation ng food that night. May concern din ako sa area pala na to where we are preparing our food. Super daming langaw. Yun pala, parang merong open na compost pit, tsaka parang halos parang septic na siya near yung gazebo where you will prepare your food. Kaya andun talaga yung langaw. Reggae Resort, if you can do something about it, maybe don't put any compost near where people are preparing their food and where they are eating. Para naman safe and clean always. Mamaya na ako magbigay ng review about their room and their amenities and the pros and cons of the place. The next morning, we went to the beach and super ganda ng beach nila. Ang linaw, ang linis, ang cool ng water, malinis din yung paligid. And again, hindi ganun karami yung tao. Kaya parang feeling namin, exclusive namin ginagamit yung place. Also, hindi masyadong mabato. Super na-enjoy ko. I think this is one of the beaches na napuntahan ko na sasabihin kong babalikan ko. After enjoying the beach, pumunta kami ulit sa pool nila before checking out. And ang ganda rin ng view kahit in the morning. Kasi sa gabi, ang dami nilang pailaw, di ba? So, very colorful yung pool nila. Kaya ang gandang tignan sa gabi. Maganda rin siya sa umaga. They also have concrete huts where you can rest and stay and make tambay while nagsiswim ang mga anak natin. You can watch over them also kasi tanaw na tanaw yung pool from their concrete huts. And dahil semento siya, it's very cool inside the shade. Very nice idea yon kasi very sturdy yung ganitong mga installations. So, ayan yung itsura niya sa loob, and you can really see a clear view of the pool, of your group, your friends, your children, para mabantayan niyo sila. Ganda ng tubig, ang linaw, ang linis. I like it. Plus points sa Reggae Resort for maintaining a very clean swimming pool. Video ko daw sila habang nagsaslide. Go, Ate Justice! Doon muna sa little slide si Rainbow kasi hindi pa siya pwede sa big slide, to avoid accidents. So, parents, Always be careful po sa mga kids natin. Maganda na malawak pa rin yung surroundings ng place nila. Hindi dikit-dikit yung mga buildings and you still have lots of space to be walking, to be strolling, to park your car, and to maneuver around. Ito na nga yung honest review and feedback ko sa Reggae Resort Santa Ana. It's a budgetarian place that caters to bigger groups. Marami silang dapat i-improve, definitely. Tignan nyo na lang sa caption or description ko para sa full review. All I can say is, do not expect yung lawak ng room for the price of 9,000 pesos for 9 to 10 packs. So, papatak lang siya na parang 1,000 per head, 900 per head yung babayaran nyo. Overall, it's a decent place. Meron man akong issue dun sa lock ng doorknob ng bathroom nila, ng CR nila. Those are very small things na sana laging na-maintain kasi it really does matter sa mga accommodation na well-kept talaga. No matter how simple dapat well-kept pa rin yung mga amenities ninyo. Simple things like from the towel to the doorknobs to the windows to etc. Those small things or perks or freebies, yun yung mga reason kung bakit babalik-balikan kayo ng mga clients ninyo. I assure you. And reminder sa mga guests, kung gaano kalinis na nadatnan nyo, ganun din dapat kapag uuwi na tayo. Safe travels and live unreigned.